Water bird name in English. Mallard. Mute swan. Wood duck. Northern pintail. Northern shoveler. Canada goose. Gadwall. American widgeon. Common eider. Hooded merganser. Barrow's goldeneye. Tufted puffin. Western grebe. Ruddy duck. Snow goose. Red-breasted merganser. Blue-winged teal. Great northern diver. Eurasian coot. Bufflehead. American white pelican. Horned grebe. Ruff. Common loon. Northern fulmar. Canvasback. Scaup. Brant goose. Harlequin duck. Iceland gull. Swinhoe snipe. Eurasian spoonbill. Eurasian coot. Eurasian curlew. Smeel. Little tern. Grey heron. Australian pelican. Brown pelican. Eurasian oystercatcher. Bar-tailed godwit. Eurasian woodcock. Black guillemot. Snowy owl. European herring gull. European shag. King eider. Long-tailed duck. Tundra swan. Red-necked grebe. Spectacled eider. Greater scaup. Gray plover. European storm petrel. Eurasian bittern. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comments. Please check out my new short video and community post.